Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. I'm here to contest election for your president. And for me, you are important than everyone else. I'm here to represent you against those who are proving themselves dictators and tax collectors. And when I say dictators, I mean administration sitting over there. Let me categorically say that I will work with them. I will work with them, but never for them. I will safeguard you against them with strength and dignity. मैं इनके साथ कम्युनिटी के मफाद के लिए काम करूंगा, उनके लिए नहीं। अगर कोई मुखबिर इनका यहाँ बैठा है तो जाकर पहुंचा दे मेरी ये बात। मेरे लिए मेरी कम्युनिटी सबसे अजीज है, वाइस चांसलर नहीं। मैं कुछ बातें उर्दू में इसलिए कर रहा हूं क्योंकि साहिब इक़्तिदार को अंग्रेजी की समझ नहीं है। यूनिवर्सिटी के असातिज़ा के लिए आपके पास देने को कुछ नहीं, लेकिन 15 घंटे का वर्कलोड उनके ऊपर मुसल्लत कर दी गई। आपने हमें मुअल्लिम से ठेकेदार वाला मजदूर बनाया हुआ है। आप अपनी आंखें खोलें, वरना हम जानते हैं कि आपकी आंखें कैसे खोल दी जाए। Ladies and gentlemen, now let me come to the role of PUTA for the last couple of years. And regarding that, I am asking you some questions. Has the advertisement of 2018 been materialized?
No.
Did you see creation of any new post?
No.
Are you aware of any new advertisement?
No.
Any sign of supermarket on the campus?
Not at all.
Did you see any service structure?
No.
Has the university administrative unit been computerized?
No.
Any flats in Hyderabad?
Not at all.
Did you avail any health insurance?
No.
Any distance lieu of the separate bank account for the house maintenance?
No.
Are you living on a clean and neat campus?
No.
Of course, your answer is a big no, because President PUTA has made it clear in his last presidential projection speech that he has no agenda, and he has proved it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me admit that giving a practical shape to such huge and glamorous promises is not easy, because it demands visionary, fearless, and responsible leadership, which is unfortunately lacking for the last couple of years. My dear colleagues, it was this lack of true leadership which has culminated in irrational workload policy. Cuts were imposed, promotion and appointments were halted, ad hoc relief and disparity allowance is still in the clouds, increase in TTS salary is on hold. Some of TTS faculty members were even demoted and expelled. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to repair all the damages done to the community, we need a responsible and visionary PUTA cabinet that focuses on the causes of the problems rather than the symptoms. cabinet who takes charge, feel responsible and accountable for their failures. A cabinet who does not propose rationalization of allowances from the platform of QTA. A cabinet that does not take midnight U-turns. My dear colleagues, such cabinet can only be made by those faculty members whose stakes are within the University of Peshawar. Besides, their files must be clean so that they do not succumb to the blackmailing of the administration. They should not be aspirants for the VC-ship and deanship, as this will compel them to compromise. I am proud to say that all my team members fulfill these entire criteria. Ladies and gentlemen, the intellectual forum prioritized the following agenda points: a decent workload for the entire community, materializing advertisement 2018 and advertising new posts, working for a service structure within the university and extended full cooperation to all associations who are working for the same, ensuring the payment of disparity allowance, addressing tedious problems such as pension scheme and increase in their salaries, materializing all pending cases of house requisition, resolving the issue of reserve seats and fee for the employees' children, including centers, materializing Azad housing scheme, giving due representation to research center in QTA cabinet and various bodies of the University of Peshawar, raising the standard of university college for boys, shifting the electricity bills directly to Walmart. Ladies and gentlemen, the problems are numerous and challenges are high, but our morale and energies are even higher. I assure you that my team will come up on top of the issues and lead the community from the front. But you are requested to choose the right person for the right job. Said Rasul Rasa said, why? The Chindro Pakora ke al-Gudere, the Chindro Pakora ke al-Gudere, جوان بهر قدم کلکه د لک په خیال زاب او که د خپه په کرخه کې ولاړې وسوې دغه دوه سترګې څلور که په کمال زاب. And now I would like to introduce my team. So please come to the front. Sajjad Ahmad Jan, Sulaiman Khan, Abdul Khuda, Faisal Khan, Wafid Ahmad, Shaukat Ali, Fazl Hadi, Arif Khan, Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Javed, Muhammad Nafis, Shahnaz Parveen Khattak, Imran Hasimi.